अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। एक सैड न्यूज़ है कि क्वीन एलिज़ाबेथ जो है वो फौत हो चुकी हैं। वो इस दुनिया फ़ानी को छोड़ चुकी हैं। ये अभी अभी इत्तला मिली है। और ये जो बरतानिया की मलका थी ये फौत हो चुकी हैं। क्वीन एलिज़ाबेथ ये डाई हो चुकी हैं। ये क्वीन एलिज़ाबेथ हैज़ डाइड। सो वो फौत हो चुकी हैं।
Imperial state crown being lowered onto her head by the Archbishop of Canterbury. For all the grandness of her position, it never went to her head. She had, I think, an instinctive understanding that as a hereditary monarch, she had to win the trust of the people of this country and the other countries of which she was queen. And that, I believe, is what she did. She gained it and she kept it. She kept the monarchy strong. Now, of course, there have been a few bumps along the way. It would be extraordinary if there hadn't been. Bumps which have almost without exception been caused by other members of her family. For 70 years, she's been the constant, unchanging presence in the background to our lives,